Hi, candidates, and welcome to Win My Vote. I wanted to invite you to create your own candidate profile and enter one of the many races here on Win My Vote. So, Win My Vote is a voter engagement site, or maybe better described as a voter candidate groups and organizations network, and it's all centered around the voter's ballot. So a voter can sign up for free with just an email address or a social media account. They enter only their zip code, and that zip code will place them in specific voting districts. And with that, we can get them this interactive online ballot where they can review candidates and favorite candidates. So for this demo, I'll show you the most recent presidential ballot that we had here on Win My Vote. So my zip code is San Francisco, California. So you can see this is my ballot, and this will be all the races that are on my real ballot. And I can scroll down through all the different races from the national level, state level, congressional district, state senate, state assembly districts, and then down into the county and even board of supervisors and school board races. I can also see all of the propositions as well as all of the measures that will be on my ballot. So as a voter, I can not only see the candidates that are running in each one of the races, but I can click on their profile and learn much more about them. So I can watch videos,
I think we can all agree it's been a long campaign.
and I can see groups and organizations here that have endorsed this candidate. So I can scroll through these and I can see written endorsements. I can see groups and organizations that have simply selected her and have endorsed her in this race, and I can see groups and organizations that have created videos, video endorsements. So I can just click here and watch that.
Hello, I'm Liz Schuler, Secretary-Treasurer of the AFL-CIO. And when the AFL-CIO endorsed Hillary Clinton for president, it was working women who were on my mind.
And let's say I say, okay, that's great, and maybe I want to learn a little bit more about this group. I can click through to this group, and I can see their different issue statements. I can see the other candidates they've endorsed, and I can also learn a little bit more about them. And after reviewing the candidates, if I'm all set on this candidate, I can favorite this candidate. And then when I go back to my ballot, you'll see that the candidate's nameplate is turned green. And then I can also see a percentage here. And this is the percentage of favorites that are on this ballot. So as a voter, I can see how my candidate's doing. And then I can share with friends, and I can try to promote my candidate on social media. I can add a comment to this race. I can watch, the presidential or the candidates debate one another if there's videos available for that. There's lots of things I can do, from the voter side. As a candidate, what you need to do, or what you can do, is that you can build your own profile. And you can see here that I'm sort of in an admin mode, so you'll see these little edit buttons that will pop up, and this is how you create a candidate profile. You simply click on here, and then you can change or add an image. For this main message here, you can use an image or a text or video. And this URL right here is the share URL from YouTube, which I'll show you what that looks like. So here is a YouTube channel, and let's say if I wanted to use this video.
Gavin Newsom, Lieutenant Governor, former Mayor of San Francisco, and enthusiastic supporter of Ed Lee's election.
And let's say if I wanted to use that video, I would simply click this share button right there, and you would see that URL be highlighted, and I can just do a copy and paste, and I can paste it right in here. And I'll just do this real quick for this demo. And then I hit save. And then you'll see that it will just, appear here, and it will play in real time.
Gavin Newsom, Lieutenant Governor, former Mayor of San Francisco, and
if I wanted to change it back, again, I would just do a cut and paste of the share URL, and you would see that video.
I think we can all agree.
And that's how easy it is to build a candidate profile. You'll also get some feedback from us as far as the number of voters and the percentages. And then we can even dig down deep into some data as far as how long someone watches a video and a variety of other things. We'll also work with you as far as setting up groups that have endorsed you. And again, I can work with you guys on that directly. I hope this helps. Creating a candidate profile is free. Setting it up to go onto an active ballot is $99 per election. And the main reason for that is that we want to keep the ballot very clean with only serious candidates running. Again, this is a very voter-centric website, and we're hoping to have tens of thousands of voters that are on here and able to see your profile of your candidacy and then give you direct feedback by either favoriting you or making comments or those types of things. We really are aiming to make Win My Vote the place where people decide who they want to vote for, and we think that this network will allow all the candidates to use this as sort of a level playing field where they can go back and forth and address the issues that the voters have on the front of their mind. Hope that helps. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.